Hey there, my sports photography friends. Today we're going to be talking about football, and this is aimed more at beginners. So this is going to be 3 tips on how to improve your football photography without purchasing new equipment. One of the easiest things you can do to immediately make your photos look more dynamic is by shooting low, which is tip number 1. In this photo you're looking at right now, I am kneeling down on 2 knees just to get the shot. That's why it looks like I'm kind of looking up at him. Now the reason you do a photo like this because it will dramatically enhance the look and feel of your photo. It makes players look larger, makes them look more imposing. It's just impressive overall. And for those of you who are interested, the photo you're looking at was taken with a Nikon D7200 with an older Sigma 150 to 500 millimeter lens, so it's not even top of the line equipment. Tip number 2 is eyes and ball, which you probably hear a lot. You want to get the eyes and you want to get the ball in the photo. When you have the eyes and the ball in the shot, it makes the photo more compelling and it brings the viewer of the photo kind of into the action a little more. Now personally, I add one more thing to this philosophy: eyes, ball, and friction. Now what I mean by friction is, so you get the eyes here, you get the ball, but you got friction. You got these two battling it out. So you got some friction going on here, which makes the photo even more compelling and more interesting to look at. Tip number 3 is celebration. That's right, like after a touchdown when 2 players are smashing against each other, they'll say, "Woo, we did it." So in this photo right here, they just scored a touchdown and the 2 players are bumping against each other and celebrating. Now this can be either like after a touchdown as this photo was taken, or it could be, say, the defense just sacked the quarterback. And also in this photo, you can see I've got some of the eyes, I got the ball, and I have friction going on. So it makes it even more interesting photo to look at. And there you have it, 3 tips on how to make your photos more engaging, more exciting, and more interesting. So which one are you going to try next time you go out and shoot football? Leave it in the comments below. And also don't forget, while you're doing that, you might as well subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. So now, as always, you know what you need to do next. You need to grab your camera and get out and shoot.